Hello everybody! Today, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung isang toy ko na medyo rare na. Kung familiar kayo, Swamp Thing. So, box lang niya to. Medyo bulky. And then, sa loob, meron siyang container para sa toy. Ito siya. Medyo nakakatakot. Okay, and then the toy is inside. So, babasahin ko lang yung kasama niya na parang card. So, it says here na personal journal siya na property of Dr. Alec Holland. So, sa loob, may mga nakalagay na ganito. Bio-restorative compound, small dose cost instantaneous growth from soil sample. Bio-restorative formula contains. So, parang may mga description siya dito. Tapos, may picture siya in-include ni Swamp Thing. It's the monster who killed Ale and Linda Holland. Appears to be a giant pile of mass and roots. Leaves behind a slimy green trail. Incredible strength. Pulled chandelier from ceiling and used as a mace. Fought mechanical creatures with hydraulic arms. Must weigh 400 pounds. Last known location, Scottish Moors, Vermont Swiss Village, Gotham City, Appalachian mining town. So, yun. May picture siya ni Swamp Thing. So, yung toy, medyo rubberized siya. Ganda yung texture.